welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you have landed here for the very first time. Please subscribe to my channel, click on notification bell so don't miss out any further updates. You can also follow me on my Instagram जिसकी लिंक होगी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. नमस्ते, दिस इज द्विजा और कैसे हैं आप? सनशाइन इन ह्यूमन फॉर्म. और आज हम देख रहे हैं ओके फाइनली टॉक्सिक का एक प्रॉपर टीजर आ चुका है. ऑफिशियल हिंदी टीजर वी आर सीइंग रॉकिंग स्टार यश, गीतू मोहनदास केवी एंड मॉन्स्टर माइंड क्रिएशंस. और बहुत सारे मुझे डीएम्स आ गए हैं कल के दिस नॉट समथिंग इनअप्रोप्रिएट आपके चैनल पे जा सकता है. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू वॉच इट विथ यू गाइस. इट डिड टेक मी अ डे बट दैट्स फाइन. आई रियली होप कि ये जो पहले आया था उससे कहीं बेहतर हो एंड काइंड ऑफ मेक्स मी एक्साइटेड फॉर इट. ओके प्ले.
इस बार जंग अलग है.
रॉयल सर्कस.
उनकी मक्कारी भी अलग है.
Oh, okay. I like that.
सबसे टकराना भारी पड़ेगा. से छोड़ दो. गिव अप राया.
You wish. है ना? Get it, bro? Okay. I like it. Okay. Eh? I'm happy with this. What? Wait, I did not get it. Is that the same person? And हमारे बाल क्यों same है अभी? I took inspiration from Yash and I just got my haircut done. Sorry, I can't grow a beard. वो अगर आप if you get the beard if you are a man, just do it for yourself. Bro, I love this. ये क्या मतलब? I think I'm very sure उन्होंने जानबूझ के वो पहला वाला I don't know what was that, a glimpse, something like that ऐसा upload किया था just so that they can rage bait and people start talking about it. वैसे भी people would have talked about it. It's literally Yash and Toxic is something I think बहुत लोग look forward कर रहे थे. At least I was. But that truly, because I was expecting something like this, definitely much more bigger than what they have already done before. And I was not happy last time. और उन्होंने rage bait किया, everyone like was like, ah, okay, whatever, and then they dropped this bomb. I mean, this is something I would definitely enjoy watching. I don't know about you. Okay, I don't know. I'm not going to be critical here. या फिर मैंने ऐसे I've not done any courses on filmography and anything as such. As a mango person, arm person, I would like watching this. I like it. I like this kind of movies. तो मेरे लिए तो मैंने 50 बार बोला ये चीज़. If I knew here for the first time watching my teaser or watch it, whatever reaction I'm doing अभी, तो आपको नहीं पता होगा. लेकिन I watch this kind of movies. I love movies like Wrong Turn and I do enjoy this type of violent movies. Actually, I'm glad कि वो दिखा रहे हैं अभी ऐसी चीज़ें. Even for Durandar, they did show quite a bit of violent. It was violence, violence, violence. It wasn't like ऐसे बस कट रहा है किसी का सर, वो दिखा नहीं रहे, बस कटा हुआ सर बाद में दिखाते हैं, but they are showing that actual process. And it did take quite a long for us to come here, I feel, because Final Destination was a देख लो तुम वहाँ पे they actually show it and so well directed. Of course, this is fiction, and that's exactly how we are seeing it as one. We are not really promoting violence or whatsoever. It's just a movie, and we're enjoying it as one. और वो जो मॉन्स्टर के वो फेसेस थे, I'm a little confused. I'm not theorizing anything. Is it him who is the villain here because उसकी वजह से इसका नाम टॉक्सिक पड़ा हुआ है, or is it someone else, or he is going to be fighting those people? और जो end में था वो बाल कटा हुआ, is he also the like a different version of him? I'm so confused. I really want to know more about it. I love these kind of teasers which do give a lot of information, लेकिन गाजर दिखा के छोड़ देते हैं कि तुम ज़्यादा सोचो उसके बारे में, तुम ज़्यादा उसके बाद रिसर्च करो क्या यार इसमें कुछ होगा क्या होगा. I don't want to see it. I would love to see it again, but I don't want to see it again because I don't know copyrights का क्या issue होने वाला है. I hope I can upload it. पॉसिबल हो सकता है कि मुझे ऑडियो को मे बी म्यूट करना पड़े, उसके बिना क्या रिएक्शन. Go watch the original one, come here only for action if that's the issue for you. अगर मैं कर सकती हूँ तो I'll definitely upload it the way it is, just a little bit of things here and there. But I loved it. I am so happy. Actually, मैं expect नहीं कर रही थी कुछ after what happened last time. I don't know why I did not like it. I probably just had a lot of expectation, which would be like completely, oh, कुछ mind blowing करने वाले हैं ये लोग. I was like, oh, okay, whatever. अभी जो हो रहा है वही हो रहा है, and just something so basic. And what they, I don't know, like fairy tale for grown-ups, right? That's what they said. Like, okay, अभी यही देखना है तो यार, I would rather not watch it. But okay, if it's just a part of the movie, it's okay. Let's see what comments have to say. I just want to know a little bit of theory क्योंकि मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है. I don't know. आप बता सकते हो obviously if you know better than me. I'm always curious to know much more. Bro was born to play Ravan. I'm actually excited only because he's playing Ravan. बाकी मुझे दो लीड में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. Sorry, not sorry. No one has theorized anything. Last shot was literally Arcelus without beard. Yeah, it was him. Okay. But I'm excited to see him in short hair. मैंने उनके ऐसे मूवीज नहीं देखे हैं. वो Okay, I don't really see anything. It looks like younger version of Yash. Exactly. I just feel like ऐसा ही कुछ होने वाला है. It's probably like a different version of him, और वो तो स्टोरी देखने के बाद ही पता चलेगा. So I don't know what to expect of it in the moment. But I really want to know जो आगे वो monster जैसे वो अजीब से चेहरे थे उसको मार रहा है. तो I don't think it's going to be them. It's just going to be someone who is going to be against यश का character. But why the name Toxic? Because he prefers violence and likes that? Hmm. I don't know. A lot of questions going on. I think मैं बहुत सारे reviews देखने वाली हूँ इसके बाद. Like जिनको knowledge है film making की and stuff like that. You can also help me out in the comments. Let me know what you think. But this was something I was not expecting after what they dropped, but something I wanted. I'm happy. धुरंधर और टॉक्सिक आ रहे हैं. मैं तो दोनों देखने वाली हूँ. मुझे तो दोनों पसंद है. I'm not taking sides right now. I'm enjoying. I want to enjoy both. You let me know what you are going to do in the comments, and